Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the PZ Reversal Fractals Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool is designed to automatically mark potential reversal fractals on your charts so you can visually identify swing highs and lows where price may be changing direction. At this point I'll load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, the PZ Reversal Fractals Indicator plots symbols directly on the main price chart at points where it detects a local high or low formed by a small cluster of candles. Bullish reversal fractals typically appear below price near swing lows, visually suggesting areas where downward movements are stalled and buyers may have stepped in. Bearish reversal fractals tend to appear above price near swing highs, indicating zones where upward movement has paused and sellers may have taken control. As new price action unfolds, the chart fills with these fractal markers, giving you a map of recent turning points and helping you see the underlying structure of swings and potential reversal zones. As for the settings, let's see what we have. Right, so the singular setting we have here for the input is the calculate on bar close. You can also choose your preferred colors for the arrows on the charts, and you can trade in your preferred time frames as well. So who's this indicator for? This indicator is suited to traders who focus on price action, swing structure, and reversal areas, whether they trade intraday, swing, or higher time frames. It is a visual analytical tool only and does not execute trades, so any fractal signal should be combined with additional confirmation such as trend direction, support and resistance, or other indicators. Because fractals are confirmed after several candles complete, signals can be delayed, and in choppy markets, you may see many fractal points that do not lead to meaningful reversals. The download links are in the description below. You can learn more about the PZ Reversal Fractals Indicator and other tools over at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you stay updated with future videos.